Taking an assignment off of the course build and assigning it to your students takes a few steps in order for the assignment to end up in your drive as well as your students' drive. First, open your assignment. Next, you will see a set of teacher directions and a link underneath. Please click the link. Now, you will be prompted to make a copy of your assignment. This making a copy will add the assignment to your Google Drive. Once in your Google Drive, you will go ahead and take out copy of. Delete that out. Next, you will share this document to get the correct link. By doing that, you will change the share settings to anyone with the link can view this. Please keep it as if you were here so that this document cannot be edited by your students. Once you click Done and load this to your Schoology account, the document will become one that the students can edit. Once you've closed out of there, you're going to go back to your Schoology account. You will then go back to your materials section, and now you will edit the document. Here you will take out the link and the teacher directions. You will go to your Google Drive assignments and find the document that you created. You will click that document and highlight it blue. Next, you will attach that document to your Google Drive account. Here, you will see a sign that says, "This will create a copy for each student." While it creates the copy, it will also allow the students to edit that copy in their drive, not the copy you assigned to them. Here, you will add any directions you would like them to do. When you are done with that, you will scroll down, make sure everything in here is correct, and save your changes. Once you are saved, when you open this up again, it will prompt you that you have an assignment. You click on the classroom, and this is now a copy that your students can work on inside their classroom.